welcome to my channel, Miss I90. If you guys are new here, my name is Alexis, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this makeup look I did using Scooby-Doo X Glamlite. If you guys want to know how to get this look, make sure you guys stay tuned for the tutorial. Here it is, you guys. I'm super excited. I can't wait to play around with this makeup and see what look I come up with. And this is what the whole box looks like. If you guys want to see the whole makeup collection, I actually made a video on it already, so I'll make sure to put it on the top right corner as well as the description box for you guys. And now let's open the box, and this is what it looks like. It comes with their highlighter, their haunted eyelashes, their mascara, their bat eyes eyeliner, 3 different types of lipstick shades, two palettes, and here's the second palette, and here's what the whole collection of the makeup look looks like. So I'm just going to be adding some concealer to my eyes and blending it all together with a beauty sponge. After it's all blended, I'm going to grab my spoolie brush and just brush my eyebrows up and just arch them a little bit. For the eyeshadow look, there's 2 different palettes, which is Creeps and Crawls, which is more of like some purples. And here's what all the shades look like. Very pretty. And here's the second palette, which is Rubber Raggy, and it's more of a emerald greens and blues colors, which is very pretty. I love all the shimmers on it. And so for today's makeup look, I'm going to be using Rubber Raggy. The first shade I'm going to be using is going to be number 8, which is a light green color, and I'm just going to be adding that all over my crease. Which is number 6, and which is like a darker green, and add that all over the outer corners of my eyelids and just blend it all together. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button. As well, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Once it's all blended out, and grab the shimmer number 3, which is a light shimmery green, and add that all over my eyelid. After that's all done, I'm going to grab the palette again and go to the one on the next to it, which is number 4, and add that on top of my eyelids. After both of your shimmers are on your eyelid, you're going to grab the palette once again and grab that darker green color we had and just put it on the outer corners of your eyelids so it can make some more dimension. And also I'm going to be adding it to the bottom of my lower lashes. Who remembers Scooby-Doo? I love Scooby-Doo when I was growing up and I still love it till this day. And I'm super excited that Glamlite actually made a cosmetic collaboration with Scooby-Doo, which is so cool. Now we're going to grab their Bat Eyes liquid eyeliner, and this is what it looks like. It's a jet black eyeliner, and I'm just going to add that to my eyelids. Once I'm done putting eyeliner on both of my eyelids, I actually added a second eyeliner on top, which is like a sparkly silver, which I thought was very pretty. And then I'm going to be going in with mascara, which I love that wand mascara, and I'm just going to be adding that on my eyelashes. And I'm going to be doing 2 coats of this mascara. Now after my eyes are done, I'm going to be going in with some blush. And then I'm going to put some black eyeliner underneath my waterline. And I'm going to be grabbing the highlighter, and this is what the front and back of it looks like. I thought it was so cute, you guys. And here's what the actual box looks like. It's so pretty, and it has these 2 colors right here, which is like an emerald green and a shimmery purple. And I'm just going to be grabbing the shimmer green color and add that to the inner corners of my eyes as well as the top of my brow bone. And here's the first shade, which is called Jeepers. It's more like a nude peachy color. Here is a second shade called Doink, and it's more of like a burgundy color, and this is what that looks like. Very pretty. And here's the third shade, which is called which is more of like a nude color, which is so pretty. And here's what all 3 lipsticks look, you guys. Just to tie everything together, and I'm just going to be adding a gloss to it. Here's a close-up of what the eyeshadows look like. If you guys want to see more makeup looks like this, I also do other makeup look tutorials, so you guys can see it either in my playlist. And that is the final look, you guys, of Scooby-Doo x Glamlite. Let me know what you guys think of this makeup look. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!